How to activate Metro Bank ATM card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can activate Metro Bank ATM card. Now, there are different ways by which you can activate the Metro Bank ATM card. The first way is to dial Metro Bank's customer care. Now, you will find the customer care number on your card itself, or you can find it on the official website of Metro Bank. Now, you simply want to dial the number and express that you would like to activate your ATM card. Now, follow the instructions given and provide the information required. The information required will include the CVV of your card, the last four digits of your social security number, and your zip code. Then your ATM card will be ready to use. Next thing you can do is go to the Metro Bank ATM. You can head over to your nearest ATM, then insert your ATM card. Now you want to enter your temporary PIN over there. Now follow the prompts on the screen to finish activation. Make a transaction or a balance inquiry to make sure it is activated. Once your card has been activated, you will receive a notification via SMS or email. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.